Hi guys, this is Kavita from Earn Your Health. I help you live healthy and happy. And welcome to Kavita's talk show, where I have invited Ankush. And he actually lost almost 24 kg in 6 months. So he will tell us about his journey. Before that, I just want to ask Ankush how your journey started and how you are feeling after losing those kgs. So over to you, Ankush.
Yeah, my name is. One second, one second. So just a second.
Yeah, no worries, no worries.
7661. Look at window. 7661. 7661. Yeah.
It's okay, it's okay. Like it happens because we all are at home
Yes, yes.
and
Yeah,
it's okay.
yes. So yeah, good evening, everyone. My name is Ankush, and I currently work in MNC in the accounting department, and I have around 12 years of experience in accounting. And apart from that, I have a business in near my home like location, where I help my dad during the weekends. So basically, Saturday Sunday I help on the business. Apart from that, I also participate in a lot of voluntary activities. During the weekends. So this is how actually my day to day. Like doing office work plus business plus volunteering. So yeah, this is about myself.
Yes, 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 Ankush. So I just want to understand how your journey started for the weight loss and how you are feeling after reaching your goal. Because when we talk about this, your aim was somewhere reaching somewhere around 67 kg or 68 kg. Now you are already 67 kg. So how your journey started and how you are feeling.
Yeah. Well, I think so. When I started, right, my weight was around 95 that time. So normally, what happened, right, from time to time, body start giving the signals if something is wrong. Basically, our body is such a beautiful thing that no, whichever is going wrong, it gives a signal. So only thing is how we are working on the signal is more important, or we are just avoiding that signal. So same thing happened with me also. From time to time, the body gave the signal, but I had not worked on that. So due to that, what has happened is my weight started increasing gradually over a period of time, and I reached around 95 kg. And during that point of time, like when I visited one doctor, Ayurvedic doctor, and he told to
Uh-huh.
measure in scale, what is your weight? So he said your weight is 95. I was literally shocked. Like how come the weight got increased so much? At that point of time, what happened is I decided, okay, I have to work now, very like dedicated on the health, or else right, it may go, it may cross century, like within no period of time. So from that point of time I started to thinking on that to improve my health. And initial few days I worked with the Ayurvedic doctor, and then through various process, like even like I had done my own way, like browsing the YouTube and all those. So I lost couple of weight, and then I thought, okay, I should have a particular coach, basically, who can guide me, to be in a better position, like basically in terms of health. So
Mm-hmm.
I think that time it was a lockdown period, and then I was searching in the Facebook and all those, any kind of workout sessions that are happening or not. So
Mm-hmm.
there I came across like Kavita session there, where she was taking the morning workout session. So through her, through you actually, I contacted, okay, I want to start apart from like what I was following earlier. So I want to
Right,
start
right.
something like a workout, and then through that I have contacted you.
Okay.
So from.
Yes. So I just want to know one thing. As you told me, you went through some YouTube channel or you did some research how to lose weight and all, and then you connected me. So is it really important to connect to a coach when it comes to your health, or randomly also a person can go through? My question is like, is coach really important? What do you think? What is your experience?
Yes. What happened is normally whenever we want to do something, anything like health or something. So initially, what we try to do is first thing is try to Google it or try to use the Facebook or try to check with your friends and all those, right? So how to reduce weight. Then you start working on it. The problem starts when it's not giving result, or it's even you're trying to do like you're working hard on your this one whatever the suggestions. So what happens is at certain point of time you have to decide. You should take a right coach. So that really helps actually. You take across any kind of field, right? A person is more successful when he is having a coach than just getting trained by himself. So I think coach really plays an important role. So even example Sachin Tendulkar, right? If you take an example, so even he also goes with the coach. Or take any example, any sports person is there, so they always follow the coach. So I think that is more important, to again like check with the coach and all those, because they will be able to guide you better. Because what I feel is each person has different thing. So a coach identify those things and then give you the suggestion as per that. So yeah, that's where I felt coach was important, and through that I contacted you, and I started my this one weight loss journey.
Okay. So how was the journey? Was it tough or doable? Like many times it happens, people think if they go through some diet planner or health coach, maybe it will be difficult because they need to prepare some special kind of food, and they need to follow some certain kind of lifestyle, and that would not be possible when you live with a family. And
Yes.
yeah, so that is my question. So probably it will help other people also. So was it really difficult in that particular case, or how you felt?
No, I did not feel that much difficult. So probably I would have felt difficult if I would have started everything my own. That would be more difficult if I started, trying everything on my own, like basically what to eat and what to do and all those. So when we do experiment on ourselves, then what happens? We always think that we have to work hard to gain the result, but actually it is opposite actually. So that's where I felt actually coming up with a coach. So they know your lifestyle and all those, and based on the lifestyle, without much changes, right? So that is a more important. They give the details on that. Like how to start, what to do, and all those. They try to identify each and everything, on your health, and based on your if anything is there is a shortage or something, right? Any kind of. So they try to improve overall. That's where I think it was really important for me, and I felt whatever the session I got from Kavita ji, so that was most useful, and it was more doable. It was not. It was more of practical, where we can follow on day to day. That is more important. If any coaches give something which is not doable or which can be done only for a specific period of time, so that I think so what happened is we can't continue over a period of time. So always a coach should be something like who can guide you over a long period of time, where you can follow certain things over a long period of time. So that's where I think I really enjoyed as per your guidance I started.
Correct. And it's really important, as you told, long period of time or short period of time. So here I could say like a fad diet. Many a times it happens, people start following certain kind of diet where they are just restricting themselves for some certain kind of food group. But what happens over a period of time, like probably you can follow that particular food habit for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, maximum 4 months. But once you come back to your original food choice, food habit, I would say, in that case what happens is, yeah, the person starts regaining the weight, एंड जो भी उसने लूज किया होता है वेट, उससे कहीं ज्यादा वेट वो रिगेन कर लेते हैं. तो इसलिए कई बार लोगों को लगता है कि दिस जर्नी इज नॉट रियली सस्टेनेबल. लेकिन जैसे आपका लगभग 6 मंथ से हम लोग साथ में काम कर रहे हैं, सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, इज इट अ सस्टेनेबल वेट लॉस, और यू कैन, मतलब आपने कुछ फूड ग्रुप को अवॉइड किया है, रिस्ट्रिक्ट किया है, या फिर आप सब कुछ खाते हो और सब कुछ खाते हुए, क्योंकि सब कुछ अगर आप खा रहे हैं तो ऑब्वियसली वो लाइफ लॉन्ग कंटिन्यू रहेगा, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि ये सस्टेनेबल है?
Yes, definitely it is sustainable because there was no any particular restriction where I have avoided any kind of food group. So basically, what I was eating earlier, I'm actually eating more than earlier actually. So when I started, before I started, doing this like diet plan, all those. If I think of myself, I was having fruit something like a once once in a week or something. But now I'm having daily 2 times. I'm having actually morning and evening. So it has increased my eating habit. So it does not decrease basically. So I'm not staying myself, any kind of hunger or something, where the energy level is low. So I always, energy level is always
In
high
high
because I
energy.
don't. It's
Correct.
very high. It's
Yes,
very high.
that's the reason
Yeah.
you can do the social service also. Right, right,
Yes.
right.
Yes.
एंड आपकी मॉम को तो स्ट्रगल करना पड़ा आपके लिए डाइट बनाने, मतलब जो भी प्लान आपको दिया गया था, फॉर दैट डिड योर मॉम रियली स्ट्रगल टू कुक फॉर यू?
No, nothing as such, because whatever they were eating, so there was little bit of some changes. There were no, not any problem with that.
Okay.
She did not struggle. So she was basically happy that okay, now what is next? Okay, tomorrow. She used to ask me, okay, what tomorrow you're eating? So
Great, great.
she is more interested. Okay, what is your evening food today? What is the morning food? So even they will also make prepare based on that. So
Right.
did not struggle actually.
So they
I used
also
to
are
get actually,
following
I used to
some
get all new variety of eating. Okay, like that was I have never ate actually previously.
uh,
So it
great.
was really good actually.
Great, 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 great. In fact, as you told, we are practicing our morning rituals every day, 6:30. So this, how I planned is because see, health is wealth, and wealth has to be earned. So that's the reason, earn your health, right?
Yes.
And when it comes to earning, it has 4 pillars: exercise, attitude, and then rest, and then comes the nutrition part.
Yes.
So when we come to the exercise, it is like very important, as I already planned the workout, how we do the morning ritual. It starts with a prayer for the entire world to be happy, healthy, and peaceful, which is very much required. And post that, we do some kind of pranayam, breathing exercises, and we have Pilates, we have yoga, we have weight training, and we have so many things inculcated together, right? And I would say, like, why we are doing so many things, why we are not taking only one thing. So what is your experience with these sessions? I just want to ask you this question.
Yeah. So I've been associated, in this basically morning workout basically right from the right from the, I think so November I started this joining this one. And what more important was, no, it never like get you bored. So you can't do the same thing every day, right? Because that is more important. You do the different exercise or workout which actually works on all over the body. It does not increase your like basically the stretching or something like a yoga. Also
Right.
gives you the strength training,
Right.
like strength training and all those. So it is more of fun, and it's more of accessible. So you don't need to go to any place and perform something. It is right from the comfort of your home, I think so. So that was more, I think so, I felt that it was more easy instead of traveling to some other place. And then, and in this pandemic, right, so this is the best thing. You can do a workout right from your home, so no need to go anywhere outside.
Correct.
And so I felt that is more important actually, like a different kind of workout you include. So you actually do a workout for all your body parts and all those, right? And also gives your like good strength as well as the mental, like peace and all those. So I found very useful, and I think I've been associated right from the November. So it's more consistent. So yeah, I felt very good.
And how about your experience for the Yoga Nidra?
Yeah. So I think yeah, that was really good actually. Whenever the yogic position, so the mind is very relaxed, and like whenever you guide people, right? Okay, so we get a like a picture of that, the complete body picture. I usually I usually feel that, okay, like out the body, right? A mind always whatever you say, right, it will start imagining. So you get a lot of good imaginations. I think it was really good actually.
Yeah, actually it improves your focus, and it is very give you a peace of mind, and because of that it also improves the immunity. It's not directly connected, but definitely it is connected to immunity, because when you don't have stress level is very down, very low. In that case, what happens is your immune system works very effectively. And when we do, as we have inculcate various kind of breathing exercises also, so those exercises what they do is like they help you in your respiratory system, and lungs की capacity को वो improve करते हैं. And they have, as I told you earlier also, एक मेरा YouTube का मैंने छोटा सा एक क्लिप भी बनाया है उसको लेकर, कि भ्रामरी प्राणायाम है या फिर ओम चैंटिंग है, वो जो हमिंग साउंड आता है, कैसे उसमें नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड जो है वो उसका प्रोडक्शन जो है वो बॉडी में बढ़ जाता है, कैसे वो वायरसेस को किल करने में हेल्प करता है, ये सारी चीजें होती हैं. सो थैंक यू सो मच अंकुश कि आपने समय दिया लोगों को. शायद मुझे लगता है उन लोगों की बहुत सारी क्वेरीज जो हैं वो सॉल्व हुई होंगी. And definitely it's not a very tough job, guys, to focus on your health. And I would definitely say for each and everybody, this is the high time, this is really a high time when everybody should focus on their health. And this is not only their own health, but मतलब आपके पड़ोसी अगर हेल्दी हैं तो आप भी हेल्दी हो. ये समय ऐसा है जहाँ पे वायरस लोगों के थ्रू फैल रहा है, तो हमें अपने सारे प्रिकॉशंस लेने हैं. सैनिटाइज को मतलब अपने आप को, हाथों को सैनिटाइज करना, बाहर अननेसेसरी बाहर नहीं जाना, मास्क लगाना, एंड जो सोशल डिस्टेंस है उसको लेना, उसको मतलब उसको फॉलो करना, ये सारी चीजें तो हैं ही, लेकिन साथ ही साथ हमें अपनी इम्यूनिटी पे भी ध्यान देना होगा. और इम्यूनिटी जो है वो सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं कि काढ़ा पीने से आ जाती है, मतलब काढ़ा पीने से बढ़ जाती है, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है, लेकिन उसके अलावा आप क्या खाते हैं वो चीज भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. जैसे कई बार होता है ना कि मॉर्निंग में आप नींबू पानी पी लो, मतलब लिखा हुआ रहता है कई जगहों पे, आपने पढ़ा होगा इस चीज को, यूट्यूब में देखा होगा या गूगल में सर्च करो, तो अर्ली मॉर्निंग नींबू पानी पीने से वेट लॉस होता है. लेकिन अंकुश का अपना एक्सपीरियंस है कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. दिन भर आप जो करते हैं वो ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है ना. तो वही चीज काढ़ा वगैरह के साथ में भी वही है कि कई लोग कहते हैं कि अदरक का पानी पीना है, शहद का पानी पीना है, नींबू पानी पी रहे हैं, इट्स ओके. लेकिन दिन भर आप क्या खा रहे हो, सिर्फ पानी ही पानी पी रहे हो, दिन भर में आप क्या खा रहे हो, वो हेल्दी है या नहीं है, उससे आपकी इम्यूनिटी बूस्ट हो रही है. बैलेंस डाइट होना चाहिए, एंड आपका रेस्ट प्रॉपर, कम से कम आप 7 to 8 आवर्स आप सोइए, और डेफिनेटली प्राणायाम वगैरह कीजिए, जिससे आपका माइंड जो है वो भी काम रहे, स्ट्रेस लेवल को डाउन रखिए, एंड बी हेल्दी एंड बी हैप्पी. और अवेयरनेस फैलाइए लोगों के सामने भी कि सभी लोग इसको फॉलो कर सकें, है ना.
Yes.
ये थैंक यू सो मच अंकुश
Thank you.
फॉर. यस, थैंक यू.